Hey food lovers, what's going on? I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be making y'all a fabulous prime rib for all your holiday feasts. Stay tuned. So guys, I got an awesome recipe for you guys. We're going to be doing some prime rib cooked on the RT1250. I'm going to be burning those recteq Ultimate Blend pellets. This is going to be the perfect holiday treat for all your holiday meals. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I have here, I have some whole garlic, I've got some fresh thyme, I've got some fresh rosemary. Now all I did was combine all three of those and blend them up with a little bit of olive oil to get this delicious, super fragrant paste that we're gonna be spreading all over the top of this. And then I ground up some fresh cracked black pepper with some kosher salt. We're gonna be putting that right over the top as well. But let's go ahead and get into this prime rib. So I have about a 5 to 8 pound prime rib. We got it from our butcher. You can see he did a pretty good job of getting everything cleaned off. He's taken a lot of that top fat off. He has left the chain on the back. Just left that chain right there on the back. That's totally fine. So we're just gonna do a little bit of trimming, take a little bit more of this fat off, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this thing seasoned up and ready to go. So we're just gonna take some of this white fat off, some of the stuff that's not gonna break down, right? We wanna go ahead and take some of that off. Super easy. Next step is we're gonna go ahead and season this bad boy up. So I like to get a half sheet pan, get my prime rib on there, and then we're gonna go ahead and take some of that Colden's freaking Greek, often imitated, never duplicated. You find it at recteq.com. We're just gonna give it a little sprinkle right over the top. Absolutely perfect. Then we're gonna come back with that paste that we made. It's that rosemary, that thyme, that garlic, a little bit of olive oil. And we're just gonna coat the outside of this prime rib. Now, prime rib always reminds me of the holidays. It's one of those special treats, you know, because it's kind of an expensive piece of meat. And you usually have in holiday parties, you have a lot of people over. This is a great way to really stretch that budget. But we only did it on the holidays, so it always reminds me of Thanksgiving, Christmas, great times spent with loved ones. And that's what the holidays are all about. But guys, let me ask you this. What are some of your favorite holiday traditions? Put it in the comment section. I would love to know. Who knows, maybe I'll spark something new in my heart and I'll start with some of y'all's traditions. All right, now that we have this thing totally covered, looks great. We're just gonna come back with some of that fresh cracked black pepper and some of that kosher salt. And we're just gonna crust this with that black peppercorn. See how I like to do it on a sheet pan because all this extra stuff is gonna roll off to the side. Helps you not make a mess. Oh man, this smells absolutely delicious. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set this on the RT1250. I have it set to 275 degrees. All right, let's get it in the grill. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and set this prime rib right in the grill. We picked up a little bit of weather, but no worries. I've got my platinum tipped thermometer probe. I'm gonna go ahead and put it straight into the prime rib. That way I can manage this cook on my recteq app from inside. Oh my goodness. Look how nice this turned out, guys. I've got to give all the credit to the grill. It did all the work. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Oh man. All right, let's go ahead and give it a nice little slice. You can see the peppercorn, the rosemary, the thyme in there. It looks delicious. Ooh, it's got a nice little medium on the outside. The more towards the center you get, the rarer it's going to be. But this looks perfect. Now, the only way I like to accent this, I've got a little bit of sour cream here, a little bit of horseradish. I'm gonna go ahead and put this straight on the board. Right, we're gonna give this a little mix. Then we're gonna add some of that Colden's freaking Greek, often imitated, never duplicated. Find it at recteq.com. Put about 2 tablespoons of Colden's in there. This is what we call board sauce right here. Just gonna mix this up. Absolutely perfect for our prime rib. Guys, this prime rib couldn't have been any easier It looks absolutely amazing. We're going to take a taste. Oh. It's absolutely delicious. Cooked to perfection, super juicy. Guys, this turned out absolutely perfect. Now make sure you're following me on all social media. I'm Chef John Pinnell. And also make sure you're following recteq on all social media, because you never know when we're gonna go live. And I would hate for you guys to miss out on more amazing content just like this. Well, from everybody here at the worldwide headquarters for recteq, God bless you, God bless the United States, and we'll see you where? At the recteq. Man, this looks so good. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm.